Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. If you're into Fujifilm gear or considering a camera upgrade, this video is one you definitely don't want to miss. What we're about to dive into could change your perspective on APS-C cameras forever. The upcoming Fujifilm X-H3 isn't just another iteration in the X-series lineup. It might be the most groundbreaking leap in mirrorless technology we've seen in years. Today we'll uncover everything from massive sensor improvements to creator-focused, hybrid features that promise to reshape your workflow. Before we get deep into the details, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. This isn't just about specs on a product sheet. This is about a camera that might redefine the very concept of hybrid shooting. And with all the buzz surrounding this release, it's clear Fujifilm has something major up its sleeve. Let's start with what lies at the heart of the Fujifilm X-H3, the sensor. Rumors and trusted industry leaks are pointing toward a brand new, stacked back-illuminated X-Trans CMOS sensor. This advanced imaging technology is expected to exceed the 40 megapixel cap of the current X-H2, pushing the boundaries into truly high-resolution territory. But it's not just about pixel count. The new sensor is reportedly optimized for video as much as it is for photography. We're talking full sensor readout, 6.2K internal recording, minimal rolling shutter, and incredible dynamic range. It might just be the best sensor ever put into an APS-C body. Now pair that with the rumored X Processor 5 Plus. This next-gen processor is designed to deliver blistering data throughput. Think real-time processing, intelligent autofocus tracking, and advanced noise suppression that performs even under harsh ISO settings. Whether you're capturing high-speed action, cinematic B-roll, or gritty street shots at night, the Fujifilm X-H3 looks poised to deliver 12-bit RAW images at up to 40 FPS, without compromising color depth or buffer performance. And that, my friends, is what separates this camera from the crowd. It's not just a resolution bump, it's an overhaul of hybrid functionality. If you shoot both stills and video, the X-H3 is built with you in mind. Finally, creators won't have to pick between speed, quality, and portability. Let's move on to some critical user experience upgrades, starting with the viewfinder. Leaked designs suggest that the X-H3 will be outfitted with an upgraded 5.76 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder. Even more impressive, it's rumored to run at a refresh rate of 120 Hz or higher. This translates to blackout-free shooting and a virtually lag-free real-time preview. For sports photographers, wildlife enthusiasts, or anyone who needs fast and accurate composition, this is a game changer. But there's more. The in-body image stabilization system is expected to see a significant upgrade as well. According to leaked engineering reports, the X-H3 may offer up to 8 stops of stabilization. That's better than what you'll find in many full-frame rivals. Picture handheld long exposure shots at night, or buttery smooth video footage while walking through a dimly lit location. With this level of IBIS, your creative freedom expands dramatically. Here's where it gets really exciting. Fujifilm might debut its first ever fully decoupled dual stabilization system on the X-H3. This means lens-based and body-based stabilization can operate in harmony without causing the micro-jitter that plagued previous attempts. If this leak holds true, it sets a new standard in handheld shooting. Let's talk about design. The body of the X-H3 is undergoing some thoughtful refinements. While retaining the secure, deep grip of its predecessor, early production reports suggest a rebalanced weight distribution. This is made possible through new heat-dissipating vents that also add to the camera's structural stability. The result? A rig that feels lighter, handles better, and stays cooler during long shoots. Waterproofing enhancements could bring richer swim analytics, better open water GPS support, stroke recognition improvements, and live guidance during swimming. Standalone LTE, breaking the phone barrier. This could be a game changer, built-in LTE functionality. If the Forerunner 975 includes LTE support, it would let users take calls, send texts, stream music, and upload workouts in real time without needing a phone nearby. Ideal for ultra-distance runners or cyclists training solo in remote areas. Emergency SOS, real-time location sharing, and Garmin Live Track features could become even more robust in this setup, especially when combined with offline maps and GPS. Elite navigation and GPS. Precision advanced navigation is a Garmin staple, and the 975 is poised to be a trailblazer. Expect turn-by-turn directions, 3D topographic mapping, real-time gradient analysis, and possibly a multi-band GNSS system that rivals military-grade accuracy. This would appeal especially to ultra-trail runners, mountaineers, and explorers needing dependable guidance off the grid. Pair this with waypoint marking, back-to-start routing, and breadcrumb trails, and the Forerunner 975 might be the most adventure-ready wearable on the market. Massive battery life, smart power optimization. Despite boasting a high-res AMOLED screen and possibly LTE, Garmin may again work its battery magic. Early rumors suggest the 975 could hit up to 23 days in smartwatch mode and around 35+ hours with full GPS functionality. With battery-saving modes enabled, some users might stretch even further. Solar charging could also make its debut or expand in efficiency, particularly for long-haul athletes or outdoor adventurers. Storage, music, and smartwatch features. Music storage might increase significantly, up to 64 GB, which would allow more room for offline Spotify, Deezer, and Amazon playlists. This makes phone-free training sessions more practical. Expect smarter notification handling, calendar syncing, and integration with Garmin Connect IQ apps. Garmin Pay could also see refinements, including offline card storage and contactless payments in more regions. Wishlist roundup. What we hope to see. 1.4. AMOLED screen with enhanced brightness, 64 GB internal storage for music and offline maps, ECG functionality for heart rhythm insights, skin temperature sensor for advanced wellness tracking, LTE connectivity for standalone use, multiband, GNSS with topographic map support, smart strap tech with better comfort and breathability, improved body battery with emotion and stress analytics, solar charging support, expanded fitness profiles including HIIT, yoga, and rowing. Garmin Pay enhancements with more regions supported. Expected launch and price point. Garmin has yet to officially confirm a launch date, but trends suggest a mid-2025 release, potentially around spring or early summer. This timeline aligns with major running events and race seasons, making it an ideal time for launch. Price predictions hover in the $599 to $699 range, though LTE and solar variants could inch closer to $749, especially if premium materials like sapphire glass or titanium are involved. Should you upgrade? If you're still rocking the Forerunner 955 or even 965, and it fulfills your training and tracking needs, waiting might be fine. But for users hungry for more connectivity, health insights, better display performance, or deeper sport integration, the Forerunner 975 is looking like a worthy leap forward. Runners, triathletes, and performance-focused users will likely find the new features indispensable. Even lifestyle users looking for a fashionable, health-centric smartwatch that can compete with Apple Watch or Galaxy Watch in features without compromising athletic edge should take note. Final thoughts. Garmin Forerunner 975 could be the ultimate convergence of technology, performance, and design. With powerful updates across the board, from improved sensors and LTE connectivity to expanded health features and elite-grade tracking, this smartwatch is ready to lead the charge in 2025's fitness wearables. Keep an eye out for the official announcement. And if you're planning to level up your fitness game with the most cutting-edge wearable tech, the Forerunner 975 should absolutely be on your radar.